up, everybody? Back at it again with the new video. We are going to do a few revisions, and yeah, so I'm driving all the way to Mexico to the spot I know where to do my test and tunes, and we're gonna test and tune. My car's 100% working now. It has aftermarket internals like it should have been the very first mod. It drives amazing, man. Now it doesn't break up, you know, in high RPMs because it doesn't have stock internals. It feels faster because it doesn't have stock internals, and it feels more responsive because it doesn't have stock internals. So car is feeling amazing. I'm having fun with it. Only other issue I've had recently was just a boost leak because my one of my couplers popped off on my top mount, but I literally have 2 spots to check for boost leaks, which thank God for top mounts. And yeah, so right now just going through traffic. About to get on the highway and go to our destination. Should be getting ready to go to work, but probably be calling in. I don't have anyone to pick up little Marley, so today I'll probably install my side skirt, and then after that, I don't know. Oh yeah, my tie rods. I got some beefy tie rods. I'll show you guys that in about 2 videos from now. As you can see, my steering wheel is like tilted to the right. I bought something to fix that. I probably won't tell you what it is until we get to that video. Honestly, I don't want to do it. I have the homie that would do it for me, but we'll see. I personally don't want to do it because it's dealing with suspension, and I hate suspension stuff because most of the time it's stuck on there, and I don't have the patience to break bolts loose, break stuff loose, because I end up stripping or breaking something, and I don't want to break anything that's essential to my steering suspension. So I'd rather pay someone to do it or have someone do it. Okay, you guys, yeah, now we're here. Kind of lost memory, my GoPro, but yeah, we here. Everything's good. Everything's warmed up. Just wait for that truck right there, as he's slow as shit. So I'm gonna be slow as fuck. And yeah, you know, we're just cruising. Maybe I can speed up a little more. Let's hit it, guys. Get to 3,000 RPMs right there and hit it. Got to 23 PSI. Nice. Let's turn around and do it again. Okay, now for the second data log. I usually do 3 until we start getting like final product, and then I'll do like 4, maybe 5 data logs, but usually just do 3. And going in our straightaway. Let's go to 3rd gear, or I mean 3,000 RPMs. Data log it and hit it. To the spot. Let's hit it. way too into it. And you guys are gonna hate me for that. Going in neutral and coasting. I know people hate me doing that shit. I shouldn't be doing it either. I should stay in gear. I don't know. When I do pulls, I get scared of like shit blowing up, so I just put it in neutral so the motor can relax itself. But honestly, I should just keep it in drive, upshift or whatever, and then just keep it in gear, not do a pull and then put it in neutral and have it coast. But that was fun. Yeah, hopefully you guys like that. Kind of pretty much the video. I'm gonna just kind